Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. In Google Plus for Business today, we'll discuss some of the important techniques, the key techniques that you can think of implementing to increase your followers. Because followers is everything. The number of followers determines the success or the failure of your campaign. So what we need to do actually is how we can go about increasing the followers. Some of the key elements that are associated are post customized and high quality images. What normally people do or most of the business houses do is they actually outsource the campaign to a company. What they end up doing is they pick up images from Google or some other photo sharing sites and take that images and post it on your campaign on your Google Plus account. That is never going to work. You need customized images that you actually create in-house, and those images actually play a very important role, and they have to be personalized images reflecting your brand, reflecting the kind of services, solutions and products, and that will not be available in generic images. So having personalized, customized images, high quality images is something that you need to do to grow the followers, and that is the fundamental point. Leverage videos and share them. The videos again plays a very important role. Social media is all about videos. People want to see videos. Lot of social media users are engaging with the social media platforms through their smartphones. They are on the move, and again videos plays a very important role. If you have a product, and if you have a product that has a lot of features, benefits, and how the product can benefit the users, what you can go do is basically you can create a 5-minute video, a 4-minute video, a video that is about 4 to 6 minutes. Create a demo of that video and post it and see the engagements. It will follow. People like videos and they want to see videos. They want to see the videos live of your product. They want to see how the product looks like. It is not just the description. So videos play a very important role in growing followers. Consistently follow others. If you want people to follow you, you need to take the first step. You need to be proactive. You need to actually go out and follow others. They will reciprocate and they will come back to you and look into the page that you have built. Look at the optimization. They look into the posts. They look into the videos and images. They like it, they'll definitely follow it. And this is actually the best way and the right way to grow your followers. Some of the techniques that you can implement is basically adding +1 button to blog posts or websites or the landing page. That is basically a small widget that is available that you can take it from Google Plus and post it or integrate it on your blogs, on websites or on the landing pages. That is actually a best way to actually increase your followers. Call to action. Call to action plays a very important role in actually having people to engage more with you. The more you post the videos, the texts or the images, have a call to action with a link so that people come to your website, they generate leads, and you actually go on driving conversions, and this actually leads to more and more followers. Post consistently 5 to 10 times a week. There has to be a consistency in posting your posts on Google Plus. You need to be consistent, posting at least 5 to 10 times a week, and that has to be a continuous and consistent process. Then follow back your followers. When somebody is following you, you be proactive and follow them immediately and instantly. Don't delay. If somebody follows you, you follow them after 2-3 days, that puts them off. Make sure you follow your followers. Then send G+ invitation to email contacts. When you have a created account on Google Plus and the web account is completely optimized, you are engaging, interacting with people. One of the best way actually increasing the followers, that technique is implemented all over, is actually send the list of the account or the account link to your email contacts. You may be having multiple email contacts, you may be having hundreds of people. Send that link to the users, send that link to the potential customers or the leads or the opt-in list or friends, colleagues, acquaintances. Make them actually click on that link and go there and follow you. And this is actually a very good technique to increase the followers. Some of the best practices to implement to increase your followers: post relevant comments and others' posts. You need to actually create visibility for yourself, awareness for yourself that you exist on Google Place. Your business exists on Google Place. How you can do it? By engaging on others' posts, by engaging on the current trends. Go out, if you see something, post a comment, post a message. That is actually a very, very good way of actually increasing the followers. Do not just go about just to get a visibility or awareness. Post a comment, post a genuine comment, read what they have posted, read what they have posted on their account, check the images, check the videos, then post a relevant comment. What normally do is blog commenting or social media commenting is being used and misused just because to increase your awareness and the visibility. Please read completely what they have posted, and relevant comment is very, very important. The comment that is associated with the kind of post they have posted. Just go and say the excellent post, great post, fantastic post. That doesn't make any sense. Post relevant comments so that it increases your visibility. They will respond to it if it is a genuine comment and a relevant comment. That's how you grow engagement and increase the followers. G+ link in your email signature. Add the G+ link in your every email that you send across all email accounts. That is actually again a very, very good way of optimizing of your email and creating a brand awareness and driving traffic to your Google Plus account. Leverage influencers. You may be a top company, but still you may actually need the help of the influencers. You actually follow them, you engage with them, you post comment with them, you create the kind of engagement that is necessary with the influencers. Influencers have large and huge following, it running into several 100,000 people. And these influencers play a very, very good role, an important role in actually helping you to get more and more followers. Use hashtags. The best thing about social media is about hashtags. Create hashtags on relevant topics and trending topics and engage in participation. The hashtags plays a very, very important role on social media, including Google+. Respond and stay genuine. If somebody posts a comment, you reply them back immediately. And that is actually how you go about engaging with the users. And stay genuine. The more genuine you are on social media, the better for you and your company. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is growing followers, key elements, the techniques to implement, and of course the best practices to increase your followers. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.